morning! I'm sitting here with my parfait. Right? This is what it's called, right? A parfait. I'm in Orlando, Florida with my family, my siblings, and my oldest brother's girlfriend. So we're 5 of us here. We are about to go to Disney. I'm very excited. I've never been to Disney before. It's my first time at Disney World, so I wanted to vlog this so I can have this memory. Me and my siblings haven't had a trip together in a very long time, so I'm very, very happy that we're doing this. Today is December 20th, so we're here for 4 days. 2 days at Disney, 2 days at Universal. Let's head out. Very excited. Okay, so we are here and we're trying to figure out which rides to go first. Everyone's here. Okay, so we're doing space. What's it called? Space? Something space? Something Mission about a spaceship? Space. Mission Space is what we're doing first. And the wait begins, guys. The wait begins.
Attention astronaut candidates, you have selected Orange Team More Intense Training. If you are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces, simulators, or spinning, you may exit.
You guys, that ride was insane. Like, it was about like space, so we had like a whole takeoff and then like landing at Mars, and you could not move. Like, it literally felt like, I'm like, this is what astronauts go through. Like, you literally could not. I felt dizzy, I felt nauseous. Like, it was a lot. Like, it felt very interesting. It was very, very intense. Like, so we're all literally just reeling because like like it was just like, what's going on?
Safe tour of the Sensory Lab. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the first stop is the sound lab. Left ear, right ear. Left, right. Sound lab.
So we had to buy these ponchos. And so now we just got to the villages, which is like the stuff with the different countries. So we're going to start walking through and like seeing the different countries and like, you know. All right, so we are in Canada right now. This is Canada.
That's a restaurant.
Getting some popcorn. In Great Britain.
Here we come a-wandering so fair to be seen. Love and joy come to you, and to you your wassail too. And God bless you and send you a happy new year. And God send you a happy new year.
How's your tea, madam?
It's really good.
We are in Paris, baby. I'm loving this world tour thing. Like I'm living for it. These are countries I really want to visit. Soaring something. It's called soaring. Very tired. Decided to just get this one done. Possibly get like the last few minutes of the fireworks and go home. Call it a day. I am tired. Today is day 2 of our trip, and we are at Universal today. Today we are at Volcano Bay, so we're going to the water park. So we're all dressed up in our swimsuits and stuff. So we're about to head inside. Yesterday was really fun. It was a lot. We were so tired. We just crashed when we go back to the Airbnb. But yeah, I'm excited to have another good day. It's gonna be more relaxing because, you know, it's more about water rides and like being in the pool and stuff like that. So I'm excited to be relaxed. It's still raining. It's very rainy today, but hopefully it's not too cold. They say the pools are heated, so it should be fine. All right, let's do this. Volcano Bay. Let's go. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna have to cut the vlog short today because it's really raining, and we're going to go into water and everything, and so it's just, I just don't want to take my phone with me because, you know, you never know what's going to happen, what's going to happen with the rain or with the water and everything. I'm going to keep my phone in the locker, which I'm very sad about because I'm not going to be able to document this experience, but I guess I'm just going to be present. I'm not going to, you know, no posting on social media, nothing. I'm excited. Let's do this. Of adventure, Universal today. Yesterday was actually a lot of fun in the water park, but then they closed early because it was raining, and well, they said it was weather, but we actually think it's because there weren't enough people because of the rain. We're going to Harry Potter World first to go do the Hagrids ride. The line is going to be like 2 hours long, so we're ready to stand on that line. We also got the Express Pass, but then Express Pass doesn't work for Hagrids and Velocicoaster. There's 2 rides that the Express Pass doesn't work for, so we're going to get those rides done first so we can stand on the long lines and then hit all the other ones with our Express Pass. So let's do that. Rock, paper, scissors to go on the 2-hour line, so we're waiting. Okay, so it has come to the end of day 3 at Islands of Adventure in Universal. Let's say goodbye to Universal because tomorrow is our last day and we're going back to Disney. This was a really, really full, good day. Alright, y'all, we are in the most magical place in the world, apparently. So, we are at Magic Kingdom right now. It's so beautiful here. I'm gonna show you all around.